Can you explain, you said that he carried the starter pistol for security measures, and you then expanded that to say he did so after being a victim of violence and home invasions, correct? Can you explain to me how a starter pistol would assist someone who was the victim of violence or a home invasion?
Well, only answer that I have is that you could scare somebody away with it. That's the only thing that I have.
So if somebody was doing a home invasion, I want you to assume the following hypothetical.
Yes.
An individual does a home invasion and they have a weapon such as a firearm. Would you agree that a prop gun is not going to act as a deterrent to someone with a real firearm?
That's how
False speculation.
that's a hypothetical situation.
You don't have to answer. The objection sustained.
Mr. Phillips, can a prop gun, in your experience, does it have the ability to actually stop somebody from committing violence against you?
From my understanding with the situation with Relly, no.
In fact, the reason you say that is, it's your testimony that Relly knew it was a prop gun, correct?
Yes.
I'm going to get back to this in a moment. In the entertainment world, in the rap world that you are involved with, are you aware of individuals, of rappers, unfortunately, who have been subjected to violence, even who've been murdered?
Objection. Overruled.
Yes.
Would you agree that if someone was out to commit a violent offense against an individual, that a prop gun is not going to be a match for a real gun or a knife or any other kind of weapon? Would you agree?
Well, I'm not too sure because I'm not in another person's shoe, and I'm not too sure how they would react to seeing the prop gun.
I want to give you the following hypothetical. I want you to assume that you're in your own home and home invaders come into your house with real firearms. Would you agree that a prop gun is not going to be the kind of weapon that's going to have any ability to stop those individuals?
I'm not too sure.
So you think that an individual, someone comes in with actual firearms, person pulls a prop gun, can you explain to me what they can do with that prop gun when they're up against somebody with a real firearm?
Well, the prop gun sounds and looks like a real gun. So I feel like if somebody's breaking into your home and they see you make a gesture to protect your home, they might not even shoot you. They might just leave. They go.
So,
You're getting a little bit loud. Don't sit so close to the microphone.
so it's your testimony, though, your prior statements, that Relly knew, allegedly, this was a prop gun at the time the defendant pulled it out. Is that correct?
Yes, I believe that.
Can you explain to me how, if Relly knew it was a prop gun, how pulling out a prop gun that Relly knows is fake is going to act as a deterrent to anything?
The sound.
The sound.
Yes, the sound.
So meaning your testimony would be that if Relly sees a gun that he knows is fake, you would agree a prop gun can't hurt him. Would you agree?
Correct.
But that if that prop gun that can't hurt him is fired, that the sound is going to scare him.
Well, I would reject what you stated on another speculation. Overruled.
Can you rephrase it?
Are you saying that even though you testified Relly knew that this was a prop gun, not real, you're saying the deterrent would have been that, well, the sound could have scared him?
Yes.
Can you explain how the sound of a gun that somebody knows is phony and not real is going to scare anybody?
Well, it's so loud that you would think it's a real gunshot and you would move away.
But you just told us, sir, that it's not a question of whether he thinks it's a real gun or not. Your position, your testimony is that he knew it was a fake gun, and that as soon as the defendant pulled it out, he said something effective, put that fake shit away. Correct? That's what he testified to?
Yes.
So how is it that if he knows it's a fake gun, how is that going to deter him from anything?
Speculation, Your Honor.
You're aware that at the time of the incident, that Mr. Mayers had real guns, correct?
I guess so, yes.
Well, you've seen real guns in his house, correct?
I never seen him with a real gun in his house. Well, no.
I'm
Let
sorry,
me-
answer again.
I said I never seen him with a real gun in his house.
Let's show People's 39, A through F, please.
I'm sorry, there.
You've been to the defendant's house in West Hollywood, correct?
Yes.
You stayed there, correct?
Yes.
You partied there, correct? Is that correct?
Yes.
You've been there on multiple occasions, correct?
Yes.
You were there in 2021, correct?
Yes.
You've been there since that time, correct?
Been there since a couple times.
So, this People's 39, you recognize that's the defendant's bedroom and his bed, correct?
I'm not too sure, honestly, but it looks like a bed.
So you're saying you don't recall seeing that bed before?
No, I've seen the bed before, but I can't really tell.
Well,
Because it also, like, you never been to Rocky Crib. He be having like some cool looking couches that look futuristic. So
I have not been there.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. I'm not too sure.
Okay. When you look at it right now, does that appear to be, from what you can tell, what does AWG mean?
Oh,
Huh?
oh,
What does that mean? Does that mean something?
meaning oh.
What- Okay. What's that term from?
Objection, vote.
Your Honor, I'm having crew.
Do you know what that means?
No, I just know it's all. It just
Do you know what the letters mean?
I don't know. I could have my own way, but I'm not.
You don't know for sure?
No.
Your Honor,
Speculation.
there was a,
Want you to go to sidebar or we gonna?
yeah, we need to go to sidebar.